fully maxed out right now, and that's all I can do.
30, 60, 1/4 mile.
I'm trying to give y'all the best point of view I can. Slowed down on the 1/4 mile time, so it's not doing a sport. Okay. And I did it again. Okay. Really, what happened? This wire was positioned some way along here, and I guess over time, I don't know what happened, this part right here slipped down and it was hitting the belt. This was the belt right here. It was hitting the belt on the right hand side, which then friction and heat burnt through the boost pressure sensor, and now we're stuck with this. After a long battle, the Racechip is out of the car. 2 of these clips, so I'm gonna show you the wire first of all. This is why I took it out. So this is the A plug, which is the boost pressure sensor, which goes here. And yeah, so it was placed. So when I had it wired up, I think it was like somewhere along this. It was plugged in here. It was tied up here somewhere. And I don't know what happened, but I guess a couple days ago it slipped where it was at, and it fell down here. And it was hitting the belt. And the friction of the belt and the heat, whatever, right through the wire and cut one of the cords, the cables. I don't know if it's focusing. Cut one of the cables. So wasn't able to hold boost anymore, so I gotta take the whole thing out. The actual Racechip itself is fine, it's intact, still works. All I need is a new A connector, but it's all connected in one. So the car is back to stock. So maybe I can repair that. If not, get another cable. But yeah, so I'm back to stock right now. Or I might just do lap 3 ECU tune. Play with these things right here. Feel me? ECU, TCU tune, do all that. But we'll see. So yeah, for now we're back to stock. So I didn't even really get the numbers of what the Racechip was doing, because literally the day that I went to go test it, that's the same day everything went bad. So the first run I did, I put on screen, it was like a 6.2. I guess that was like right before. I guess that's when the cord was getting like ripped up a little bit. So it wasn't it still allowed me to boost, but it wasn't definitely not giving me enough power. And then I did another run, it was a 6.6, so I knew something was wrong. Did another run, and that's when the car just completely stopped and just shut down.